Ire muthia musiasa na mubiashara Gitari Mbiuki na nogoketwe nyuma ya mathiko jau jana arua kurungi kwa gwaka GWITA rukirirwa na arua nyuma ya mwekuru umwe gwita koti akienda kugwetwa ta mwekuru wawe Dorothy Wanjiku ugwandarua gwitite koti akiuga na achiere na Mbiuki ana BAIRI na akwendaga kumenyekana ni mwekuru wawe na ati Gitari niwe ithe wa AANA bau koti ne oe wekuru bangi BAIRI ni baikirie maromba oja kinyabo bakienda kugwetwa bare kuruba MUTUTIGI ende berwa ni bachereri na mateta jao jakathikirwa mathiko jarika samugeshima ne agutwachio.
Nyuma ya mwiri wa MUTUTIGI Felix Gitari Mbiuki kwithirwa ari na irathirwa risasi ari nkarini yake ntere cha Kanyuambora kaunti ya Embu njumaine ya tariki 18 mweri muthiru munthi iri ntugo ya Kunogokua antoba muchi wake baraukite kuriongerwa na ageni kigeni bari na barua ya koti ya guteria mathiko mwekuru umwe kwa rietwa Dorothy Wanjiku Gwandaru na twana twake twiri tura akuga itwa Gitari bakirombaga koti Gitari atikathikwe mwanka ana babu bambe baruthirwa ithimi bia DNA kenda kinyabo bamenyekana ta antoba muchi wake ndeni ya koti ya chuka kura iromba rerure kwererithikirwe emunthi mutheteri wa muchi wa Gitari na irite koti ati boba tikobinga ana babu baruthirwa ithimi bia DNA ende auria koti yetigerie mwiri wa Gitari oruto tuchunche twa ithimi bibu na uthikwe gwa emunthi.
We are not objecting to the DNA to be carried out immediately at their cost. Then let the burial proceed. Mourners are at the burial ground, Your Honor. A lot has gone into preparation as we stand here today.
And just to prove the malice, they've really circulated this. Don't come for the burial, there's no burial. Both the proposed interested party and this party. It is really unfair, even to the family.
The children are his. They have a constitutional right to be included in the burial ceremony. Otherwise, it would be very prejudicial for us to come to the court and say, yes, we have found that the children are his, but they were never included in the eulogy. They were never allowed into the ceremony.
Akigita etwariru mugambithania Duke Ocharo apete mwekuru jumu ankatha thita na nuchu cia muthenya wa emunthi aigwe akurutithia tuchunche tutu twa DNA na mathiko mathimbere wa burama kobangiritwe.
It is 10:17. That's an order M. So the extraction of the samples should be completed before 12:30. To enable the burial to proceed as scheduled.
Ndeni ya koti wenu aikurubangi BAIRI ibaretete maromba watamama rukirirwa emunthi ara amunogu maromba mago matiraona kanya kuthikirwa nyuma ya mwiri ujo kurutwa tuchunche twa ithimi bia DNA ndeni ya chibitari ya Tenri muchi wa Embu muthia na thikitwe muchi wake MAKWANI wadi ya MWEKURU kiathoni kiragi gwitigitwe na atongoria mwanya barabakathite Gitari nuntu babura ari na nkoro ya gutethia
uzuri wa mtu unajulikana kwa umati ule unakuja kwa mazishi yake. Kwa hivyo tunaamini Gitari alikuwa mtu wa watu, ndicho kimemfanya kuja hapa nyinyi nyote.
Gitari alikuwa na Gitari Mbiuki Foundation which really went out of its way kusomeza watoto wetu ili na tunajua there were so many beneficiaries. Tunachukua viongozi, tunataka kuhakikisha kwa sababu alikuwa kiongozi wa area hii, you won't allow any vacuum to be left. Kama kuna watoto who are beneficiaries ambao hawajamaliza shule, count on watoto support so that his legacy can live forever.
Bariromba gikuo giake kiruthiro chunkuni kenda amenyekana boega no amurathire.
Tuangalie hii maneno. Unajua hatukujua vizuri Mbiuki alienda namna gani. Na sisi kama marafiki zake na family tungetaka tu kujua. Tuliona tu kwa news asubuhi moja, tunaona gari iko kwa barabara na tunaona Mbiuki amekufa.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge achuka igamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.